Welcome to Shining Kiddos. Today, we're meeting flightless birds. Birds that don't fly but love to run and swim. Let's learn their names together.
Wow!
Ostrich. I'm an ostrich, tall and fast. Long legs running, zoom right past. Big soft feathers, eyes so wide. Across the land, I love to stride. Emu. I'm an emu, big and strong. Running fast the whole day long. Soft brown feathers, curious face. Australia is my happy place. Kiwi. I'm a kiwi, small and round. Noisy steps without a sound. Long beak sniffing all night through. New Zealand is my home, woohoo. Penguin. Waddle, waddle, here am I. Penguin dancing, oh my. Black and white, I slide and play. Swimming all the icy day. Cassowary. I'm a cassowary, bold and tall. Bright blue neck, I stand so proud and all. Strong legs walking through the trees. Forest bird with gentle ease. Rhea. I'm a rhea, soft and grey. Running freely every day. Open fields are where I roam. Grasslands feel just like my home. Kakapo. I'm a kakapo, green and sweet. Nighttime walks with tiny feet. Chubby bird who loves to climb. Slow and gentle all the time. Take. I'm a take, blue and bright. Walking proudly left and right. Strong red beak, feathers neat. Grass and plants are my treat. Flightless cormorant. I'm a cormorant, wings so small. I love to swim, I don't fly at all. Fishy meals make me grin. Ocean water, jump right in. Waker. I'm a waker, brown and quick. Sneaky steps, so smart and slick. I run around and love to peek. Curious bird from beak to feet. Rhea, lesser. Small rhea running here and there. Windy feathers in the air. Swift little steps, eyes so bright. Grassland racer, what a sight. Little spotted kiwi. Tiny kiwi, spotted too. Soft brown dots say peekaboo. Nighttime walks and gentle play. Sleepy bird till break of day. Steamer duck. I am a steamer duck, splash splash fun. I race on water, never run. I flap my wings and paddle too. Zoom on the lake, whoosh woo woo. Inaccessible island rail. I am a tiny rail so small. I walk and run, I don't fly at all. Through grass and paths I love to play. The world's smallest flightless bird, hooray! Thanks for watching and subscribe.